Welcome on YouTube, DuttyBerry there, and today we're supposed to meet with somebody that is very, very special. Somebody who sit on the internet for years, on top of years, and never get to meet. And joining me here today is Miss Pamputtae.
DuttyBerry, where your Wi-Fi code there?
Jesus Christ, don't do that, man. Don't do that. I can't change it up one time. What's it? How you doing, Pamputtae?
Good.
You're doing good. What one for the Easter? You get the bunny yet?
Every year, every minute, every
right through the year.
Right through the year.
Oh God. Oh gosh, you're looking nice. Don't say me ain't look red and something like blue one and something there. Yeah, how much? Compatible like that. So how is life? How 2017 I treat you so far?
I'm good enough. Good enough. I have the sticky wine out.
Yes.
Stop it. I have one only person right now. I just do roll. Yeah. The sticky wine I go on with a bag of things.
Wine, y'all do the sticky wine. Wine, y'all do the sticky wine. Shake up your bumper, do the sticky wine.
Yes, so we're gonna start about the sticky wine. Somehow, how the whole idea, how that come out for the sticky wine?
Alright, the sticky wine thing now. It start from Pretty.
Pretty.
She have the dance.
Yeah, she's a dancer.
Yeah. So my manager find her and she said she have the dance. She show me the dance. I will just build the song and do the thing.
Yeah.
Work.
Yeah, wine. Do the sticky wine. I say something there. I say okay, me I try. I said look something then. I say okay, the sticky wine something I look like. Yeah. It's like a TikTok, but there's something that go around. So you catch it good now. You
can do it, man.
Me know a long noise. Yeah, that's the favorite little part. Something. It look pretty. I look cute and uncle bit. It come like a little dancer, the wine, it come like one wine that can make woman tighter.
Yes, true.
Like something about the sticky because then like a region like while them a stick it's like it does I give them one extra gum shot. Okay, so you have sticky wine now and you have video?
Yes.
Come here, so you have premiere video because I think video should have come out long time already.
Yeah, true. But
yeah, because
we have to go and make the song creep up. Yeah. People never know about the song. But now the song get big so the right time for the video.
And that's why me because me see the song, I see where the song come out and I say, wait, I like this, I like the dancing something for Pamputtae. Yeah. But then I say, wait, what happened now? What going on? I say like yeah, like the push. But no, it's like it's exactly people are here about it. Music, you know. Yeah, true.
Because it's a good my song. Yeah. It do a couple years before it bust.
Oh. Yeah, and the same so home they have cheerleader have feel good look a while and him sit down and wait with it.
So some music stay. You know, music don't live on nobody yard. Yeah. You don't tell when it's for boss, when it's for boss, the almighty.
Yeah, true. Sometimes you think the same, so sometimes you have a video. True. And I think say, yeah man, at the video I get the one back of views.
And the one that we into.
Sometimes the one they never put too much passion in, and the one where you put the most passion in, and you have to say, boy, I want the public connect to. Yeah, so before even Sticky Wine, you actually had a song because I know you did talk about the whole different side to Pamputtae about the woman being abused and you actually did pen a song about that.
Stop it.
Yeah, stop it. Yeah. Sing the little first part because I love the little first part of the song.
Last night he woulda kill me with it. Now today he won't kill me for it. Yeah. Man born with that stick, them never born with that split. So oh you want claim ownership? Yep. The good piece of a pity bad. If a man beat woman, give them a 3-month ban. Make him use him on. But when he reminisce on the style where you give him, remember said it's something on a feel. Stop kill woman for them things. Stop it. Oh, I want to beat a woman for your thing. Oh. Slackness.
Yeah. Pull up. I love the song. I like said show a nice different vibe.
Yes, because people always say Pamputtae slack. She can't do certain song and whatever.
You say slack, but you show them the tight side with the one day.
You understand? Let me tell you, versatile.
Yeah. That's what I like for some. I like for some people just surprise people sometimes. Them things say, okay, this alone I can do. I just switch it up. Them don't know where you come with. True. So what about the whole image thing and the whole image change? They slim down a little bit and them look at something they are going. Yes.
The image I mean them bad.
Stay the size of Pamputtae, like you know like sturdy, like silly pastrapedic.
Yes. The image are going with a bag of things.
Yeah. So when it just come to you like it just they don't know, you just say, yo, I want to change up something, it just like it just come to you and say.
Let me tell you, I just sit back and relax and think. And say, girl, you have talent, you know, and people them love you in here. Have the cake, so here we do put some ice cream on it.
Yes.
Look at ice cream. So that me go back with a sit back.
Look at ice cream, yes.
I know, so I put some ice cream on the cake. So the cake already for cut now and eat, so ready right now.
Yeah man, me love it. They looking good and all of these things. Pamputtae, where the name come from? Like how the name come? I always want to ask where the name come from.
The name.
I think I forgive Pitney for spelling bee.
Well, I do an inch for Mataran.
Yes.
The song was a good as film and me say, hey, in this village, some girls are very stupid. Hey, Pamputtae. That's where we get the name Pamputtae. Yeah. Everybody says, see the girl, the Pamputtae.
Pamputtae, I want them take with it.
Me say, from them say that, it just stick from so say, you know, a Pamputtae, my name, you know.
Yeah.
Then me go so back now and do goody good. It just a work. A Pamputtae sing goody good.
Need to talk about that that song is like a legendary. It's a me not think that song that have no.
Time Nuffy said Pamputtae do nothing for dance and me wonder what him a talk about.
There is something.
Me a talk about.
Me see uptown, proper uptown girl, proper uptown woman like Novi and them something there like when the song them come on, it's like them dig up them little excitement side. It's like
for the dance song.
Because let me tell you about this. When you have the dance song, if you want a good song with the girl them can rally around, you need a good intro. You can't just jump in night. So if Pamputtae do the whole hey. So right there at the end of the dance now you hear the song come up now, them ears speak. And when you say hey what and what you say hey and then what?
Hey!
Yeah. Hey! Hey! Like I don't
I mean alone of that enough.
Yeah, that may say like it.
Nobody else can say
like
any more hey abogo, so me have the original one.
And that's something when I hear the hey the first time I said no, I need to know the girl here.
Jesus.
I need to know something about that. No, Pamputtae and the frack the way they have another video there, you know. Papa did it have one night to go white something and say yes. And Pamputtae and the dancer them they are road and there's something but what I like about Pamputtae is that you're just authentic and down to earth. Yeah, and at the time it's like you exposed to you have uptown. You have some artists who speak for them experience.
Yeah.
But when you basically show your street links, your street knowledge, and to show them background there because people never really show that. You have downtown and then you have like the street, in the streets, them hustler.
Some people, most of the artists, them dancehall artists, you know, say, I get where them come from. But once them get comfortably in the celebrity life, like them forgot say, you know, say, me for be myself, everybody want speaky spokey, whatever. Me have to just be myself. That's just me.
Yeah.
Because I'm a road girl. From the age of 12, I road. I try to sell, get my school bag, my school trip.
Yeah, always a hustle.
My mother leave me from when I was 10, so me don't know nothing more about to just get to the street and do what me have to do to survive. It's hard for me. So somebody will bash me and chat me.
Yeah.
If them know my struggle, me go through them, would say nothing at all about
so
me.
Get to that. Pamputtae, when I say the song they do, I don't know nobody when they hear the song they're good.
True.
Like surprise you.
Me send a Kiro, push them, look once them here. He good.
Me sure say if Lisa Anna hear this song right now, she start but a little move and start pay pat. Our weave, our here, no nothing else.
Yeah.
Our here. So me always you ever sing the song anytime and people getting a problem? So like when they say, can you say, Pat you sitting and call your man name and then you have 5 girls and call Damien.
Walano. Me there one foreign country. 2 girls them call them. Me say, come call your man name and them call the same man name. So me did say them say when you take the people them man.
Yes.
When you pat just say whoa, Lord. No problem.
Because I always feel like the line there is a setup. They are dance. But yes, that was it. And then they have another song where I remember when I first kind of hear it, the little the Ride It song there.
Yes.
Yeah, come here, I couldn't know where Pamputtae come from. The Ride It song there, like people get very silent. The first time when I hear it now, I think sometime in the college or something. I take one little coaster bus. Pan Boulevard, I go like Pan Duane Park route. And like at the first stop play, you know, I play the mix, the juggling, and then I listen to it and the man I say, you know, I sing the song and it's going good. I used to when the verse start, you have some brother when they start about, you say 6 something, then they like, yo. Like they start getting some screw face, you know, like, I said, what a girl here? Like, go on.
Yeah.
So you tell say if I reach a 9, then there's some people.
Say that song make enough man now.
No, them switch off the song, let them, But I like me, they look insecure, so I realize I make it. I barely make it to the part where you give me a little clap. I almost. So I nearly make it Pamputtae. I nearly make it. If you understand what I try to say, I nearly make it in your good graces. Like, so I don't know. Maybe I can give me a little extra forward and I can say yes. But barely make it to the forward part. But yeah.
That song makes some money. You know me? When them see me, them every talk to me, she sing right it, you know? I'm not even that. Yo, some man sings Pamputtae enough time I want to look at it. That's something you sing, me can't manage it.
Yeah, make it, if you feel like you don't want to get the bang again yourself and try your ear to say, whoa. No. Because some humble milk yourself like a Meek and my like a little child. But yes. And then so you had that already, and then people might know you for
Dirty Fridays, from Dirty Fridays.
Exactly. Talk about that.
That you know, say that really like bring me to the world certain way, but it bring me as Buju Fabulous.
Yes, can remember that was the original name.
Yes, yeah. I mean, me and crew name Fabulous Girls, so you know me and Buju Fabulous.
Yeah.
So when Dirty Friday I keep and all of that. I just budget for but till afterwards with the whole inch of Mataran and the goody good song, that's where the Pamputtae coming.
And your branch out, but it was originally was Buju Fabulous.
Yeah.
And then what would you then you had that collaboration, that epic collaboration with Spice.
Yes,
with Spice.
You know, I big up the fluffy the same way.
Yeah, even though you kind of slim down a little bit.
Yeah, but the politics side, man.
Yeah, you no.
Health wise, because I'm diabetic, so
I'm say that for something.
Yes.
But yeah, once you keep the little thick something, so you can't slim enough, but keep the thickness with it. Keep the thickness with it.
Not going nowhere.
Yes, and what was the other?
Like it.
No, like you're nice and thick, Pamputtae. You're nice and thick, and that's what I like represent. What the video they have, me can't remember. It was after the soca song that you did do. You did put out another video me they love. You did have one song there. Wait the name. The song where they did me love man. Me I try remember.
No problem.
No problem.
If you turn back, we me know have a problem. Problem, me know have a problem.
Yeah, where did you record the song there?
That song there, you know, say I don't Dancehall, Dancehall records. Is that you from New York? And you know, do the video, outer road, do the video, Fetcher's Land. It's record. I kind of again shady.
Yeah, people need to go and check it out. Pamputtae in a one little belly skin something there. She has stroke the legs them because you know, so I use the legs and thighs and them something there. Mix part of all of these things. I love the song, I just love how you just in the song and you do the little things them just like any little slim girl and you go on the little whining and them little something there.
Turn back, we me know of a problem.
Oh,
problem, me know of a problem. Why not me know of a problem?
You say anytime in the future, like if you want a little backup vocalist like me did it. Cause you know you have the woman ring, but if you have the man voice, like you get a nice little harmony. So when you say, oh yeah, Lord, think of that with that sound. No, that would epic.
Good.
Alright, so I'm going to you and your bestie, your big bestie.
Who you talk? Nuffy?
Your bestie man, Nuffy. Nuffy. The one that on WhatsApp and a message and all these things that take selfie together.
Auntie Nuffy, if you come done me, send me an old iron attack. I just fix him up.
So how you hear about it? Where did they? Want hear where did they when you hear it for somebody?
What about it? But we never see it as somebody draw me attention. I say, well look.
No, sir.
Old iron Pamputtae, Nuffy done you.
So you've never met Nuffy like to want to talk and sit down and eat food and something and them something?
No, I see him call me past stage and him something.
Yeah.
I see him at Orlando.
Yeah.
And he made a try talk to me and he talk to him.
Oh, kind of ease him off like a one away.
Yeah.
So probably might carry like a feelings. Oh, G's and P. So when you see that now, when you read it, like what was your first reaction? What you say to yourself?
I say, what? I never call about the name. Oh, Shenseea coming at this.
Yeah.
Oh, Nuffy just pick up this and run down with it. Oh, so much people are coming with that something. I want to get this from. I the kind of shot. I never really expect. You know? And
when I see the video, people, I know, so right there and then that Pamputtae wasn't going to just stay that sitting down like we have to write the stuff.
Never fix up what's your name, man.
Oh, Jesus.
Dancehall FloorCloth.
No, Lord. Oh, Jesus.
I have to fix her up. Where every tap man close, I have to fix up what's your name. Auntie Nuffy, I have to fix her. Because what's your name too bright.
Pamputtae, you might attack, and then next week, 200 have to take selfie and everything.
You are joking, man. You are joking. Come and know why what's your name.
So if Nuffy come to you now, apologize and say, yo, put out an apology and say, yo, Pamputtae, I'm kind of sorry, I never really.
I take no apology from Nuffy, so she stay, she for go.
Okay.
Dancehall FloorCloth, she for go. I come and take set for me like, me look like egg or
she a phone.
Then no take no set for me.
Oh gosh, okay, Pamputtae.
Yeah.
Okay, you know, I don't even know what else to say. Because you two videos put out and you did fix the situation.
I'm supposed to fix it, because things need to fix.
Okay. So, Pamputtae, tell people them like, you know, what can they expect for you for the rest of 2017?
You don't know, me have a sticky wine video, me have bad work song out. Me have one only song, you know, me if I try to take my time out. You know, one at a time, because the sticky wine gone, you know, video out, you know, sticky wine, you know, me I telling you, know, and I don't know, say, you know, follow Pamputtae, at Pamputtae on Instagram, Facebook, fan page, Pamputtae.
And them look at something there, so you never get like people are, you know, sending some little message and them look at something, you have man, you ever get a man off of Instagram yet? Tell the truth, Pamputtae. I never
get a man off of Instagram, but a whole man send me pictures, some of them I like them and some of them I like.
What kind of picture them I send you, Pamputtae?
Some of them say them I send me a 6-pack and when me look is a crate.
Oh, Jesus, Supreme, so if I book up a situation and the man send you something more than like, you know, you know.
Yes.
Oh, and how you kind of react
if
when
things look good and look bright, and on my side, we say but if things don't work, we just say no.
When does it look good and bright? See, and them right. So tell me when it's like right just so look that they look good and bright. I like I suppose you don't like it.
But that's not look.
You just leave it for red.
But that's not look.
So somebody we actually ever know you, like you seen on the streets and them sending a picture and say, geez, I'm that you work with?
Yeah.
Oh wow, and you feel you're awkward like when you put them up no one?
Not really, you know.
Oh wow.
Not really, you know, some not really shy like that. You know. Them more we shy.
Okay, so before we go to, we can ask a little question.
What question?
Just like a quick
You
little
ask
question.
me
Just like a quick little question, Pamputtae.
Yeah.
Do you have a name for your good?
For my good?
Yeah. Come on, woman, them give them like a good different name, like, you know, Peaches.
My goodie?
Yeah, your goodie, like, have a name like when
my
you talk.
pet?
Yeah, come and see as a girl to talk to you, to talk to it sometime and say, you know what, you're going good.
My commander?
Oh, wow, all of them, oh, wow. Oh, wow.
My niceness?
Oh, wow.
My Sisilo?
Oh, Sisilo, wow. Alright, people, well, that is it for this DuttyBerry exclusive with Stay Good Oko Beats. Sexy thighs on them, something their legs them Cecilia posturepedic. You just want to touch it and grip it and all of these things. So she have red ear now. She have a new song called Sticky Wine. I'm sure you remember R1 but I hits them with Goody Good and Fluffy versus Slimmy. So make sure that you go and subscribe to the DuttyBerry Show right here. So if you want to check out the previous DuttyBerry exclusive, it is right here. So if you want to go and check out our social media countdown, it there so. So people comment. That is it. DuttyBerry for Dutty exclusive.